Hello students, today's topic is mathematical model of control systems. As we all know, a control system is something which always gives a stable output. So what is mean by mathematical model then? A mathematical model is nothing but we are representing a system in terms of equations. And here in our case, we are representing a control system in terms of differential equations. So, a control system whenever represented in terms of mathematical model, we will be having some set of differential equations. For various input conditions, we can analyze the differential, we can solve the differential equations and we can get the required, that is we can get the output values. So, in order to solve a mathematical system by this procedure, this system should obey the principle of superposition. What is meant by superposition? In order to explain that, I have drawn some block diagrams here. So just we are considering a linear system H and the input value is x1 of t and the output is y1 of t. Similarly, again consider the same system H and here we are giving the input x2 of t and the output as y2 of t. Now, regarding superposition, we are going to combine these two inputs and the combined input will be given as input to the system H and we are going to analyze what is the final output value. So, again we are taking two inputs x1 of t and x2 of t. Here I am having a constant a1 and a2. So, whenever the inputs are given to this constant, the normal procedure is these two elements will get multiplied. That is, x1 of t is get multiplied with a1 and so the output will be a1 x1 of t. Similarly, here x2 of t and here the value is a2 and these two elements are getting multiplied and the output is a2 x2 of t. As I already said, we are going to combine the inputs. So, in order to combine the inputs, just I am adding the inputs. So, in order to add these two inputs, I am here inserting a summer here. So, the output from the summer is a1 x1 of t plus a2 x2 of t. So, now the inputs are combined and this combined inputs are again given to the system, linear system H. So, after giving the input, we are getting the output value as y3 of t. Can you make a guess what will be the value of y3 of t? y3 of t is nothing but it is the combined output of y1 of t plus y2 of t. Because for x1 of t the output is y1 of t and for x2 of t the output is y2 of t. Here I have combined x1 of t and x2 of t. Then automatically the output will be y1 of t and y2 of t. So here the required value, that is the output value of y3 of t is nothing but y1 of t plus y2 of t. Since here additionally I have added some constants a1 and a2, so just I am again inserting the constants here a1 y1 of t plus a2 y2 of t. Right. So this is the principle of superposition. The next one is for a single input and single output system. Again you can consider this case. We are giving a single input and we are getting a single output. For these type of systems, in order to solve the systems, we are going for a new topic known as transfer function. So here the transfer function, it is nothing but Laplace transform of output to the Laplace transform of input with zero initial conditions. So Laplace transform, it is a maths topic and whenever we are going to solve the problems, I will explain in detail. So now just understand what is meant by a transfer function. So it is Laplace transform of output to the Laplace transform of input with zero initial conditions. Here zero initial condition is nothing but initially the system is said to be in rest or initially the system is said to be in a stable position. So that's all today's topic. I hope you had understand the concepts. Thank you.